Sometimes on X or Twitter, if you want to get notifications when someone follows you, you can set that up. In this video, we'll explain how to get notifications for new followers on X or Twitter. To do this, open the X app. At the top, you'll see your profile photo. Click on your profile photo. When you do, you'll see Settings and Support. Click on that, and you'll find Settings and Privacy. Select this option. Once you click it, you'll see Notifications. Choose this option. Then, you'll see Preferences. Click on Preferences. When you click on that, you'll see Push Notifications. Click on this. Make sure Push Notifications is turned on. Scroll down, and you'll see Followers and Contacts option. Under that you'll find New Followers. Sometimes, it's turned off. If it is, just turn it on. After that, whenever you get new followers, you'll receive notifications. This way, you can easily enable notifications for new followers on X or Twitter. Hope this video was helpful. If you found it useful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.